Most budgets feel like a diet of bread and water. They're restrictive, boring, and honestly, they usually fail by Tuesday. But a real budget isn't a straitjacket. It's a GPS. Meet Steady Sarah. Sarah isn't broke, and she isn't a millionaire yet. She's doing okay, but she feels like her money is just disappearing. She's tired of checking her bank app and wondering where that last $100 went. She wants to be steady, but she needs a system. Common Sense Cal has a blueprint for Sarah. It's the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for your needs, rent, groceries, utilities. 30% for your wants, the fun stuff, the lattes, the movies, and 20% for your future, debt payoff and investing. The secret? Cal tells Sarah to pay yourself first. Most people wait until the end of the month to see what's left over to save. Common sense says, what's left over is usually zero. Sarah starts moving that 20% the moment she gets paid. Now Sarah spends her wants money with zero guilt. She knows her bills are covered, and her future is growing. She's not just steady anymore. She's unstoppable.